We are at 4343 Lorraine Court. We are walking down the sidewalk to the front door. We're going to enter into our great room and kitchen. You can see we have nice raised ceilings and we have a large kitchen island. There is tile in all of the main living areas, and then bedrooms have carpet. So here's our kitchen. We do have all stainless steel appliances, nice granite countertops. And you can see our dining area over there. So here's our living area and our front door. Now if we go to the right of the front door, we'll turn and we'll come to a short hallway. We're going to go into the master suite first. So here's that bedroom. Again, nice raised ceilings. Looks into the backyard. We do have two closets. Both of them are walk-in closets. So here's that first closet. Now we'll turn around here. There's that doorway we just walked in. Now if we cross the bedroom, we'll come to the bathroom. We're going to take an immediate left into the second walk-in closet. And here you can see our stand-up shower, and we have a nice garden tub, and we have double sinks. So here is that tub again, and here is that shower. We also have a nice towel closet. You can see we have a rain shower head as well. And here we have a separate commode area. So heading back out now, we'll go to the other side of the house where the other bedrooms and bathroom is. But first we're going to show you the laundry area in the garage. So here's our nice large laundry area. And then if we continue down the hallway, we'll come to the garage. We do have a nice 2-car garage here. So perfect for some storage space. Now if we back up, we'll head back to the living room. So we're going to walk to the other side of the house now. You'll see our bathroom here is in the middle. So we have a nice shower tub combo, nice large vanity with some good storage space. And here is the second guest bedroom. So this is facing the front of the house. We have a nice large window and a nice sized closet with French door access. Now we'll walk past the bathroom into the third bedroom. This is facing the back of the house. Again, nice sized closet with French doors access. You can see our barbecue area in the backyard there, so that's where we're going to head now. So our patio does have a covered area. We have a storm door as well. So here is that backyard area. So to the left we have our barbecue, and to the right we just have some more seating area. So if we go to the right, you'll see we have a nice garden area with some planters. And then here's that patio. You can see we have a nice large grass area over here. So this is on the left side of the house. Goes all the way to the front. And then here's that barbecue area again. So perfect for some cookouts. We'll head back inside now. Again, this is 4343 Lorraine Court, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.